Please respond me. So in anions means either an electron, they can lose, they can gain 1 or 2 or 3 electrons maximum. So then means it is called as what? Sharing of electrons. So they will become molecular compounds again. What they will become? Molecular compounds. Understand? Now, for example, it starts with chlorine. So chlorine you can take. So chlorine will gain 1 electron. So gain 1 electron means you have to write like this. Okay, guys? Plus 1. Yes, you have written minus 1, correct? So here plus 1. So Cl minus. It will turn into what? Cl minus. So this is called as chlorine atom. What is this called as? Chlorine. And this is called as what? Chlorine ion. Chlorine ion. Yeah. So which ion it is? Which ion it is? Anion or cation?
Anion.
Now, let us test yes. Let us test with this. Now chlorine plus 1 electron, chlorine atom is coming. Now chlorine atom, you can check it. So chlorine atom, what is the number of protons? Chlorine atomic number is 17. Atomic number is Z is equals to 17 atomic number. So what is the number of protons? Chlorine number of protons are 7. Positive charge. Understanding? So number of electrons also how many? Number of electrons. Number of electrons also is equals to 17.
17 minus charge.
Yeah, negative charge. So what is the overall charge? Overall
Zero.
overall
Zero.
charge equals to 0.
Zero, sir.
Are you clear? Darun, Alana, Suti. Now this side you can come. Here what is happening? So number of protons are what? 17. Positive charge only. Okay. Positive charge. But 1 electron is gaining. So number of electrons are how many? 18.
18, sir. Minus charge.
So what is the overall charge?
Overall charge 1, sir. Overall charge 1.
Overall charge is equals to not 1. What is that? 1 minus.
Minus 1.
Plus 1 minus 1.
1 minus, sir. 1
You
minus.
should understand. So 1 minus. That is why it is called as what? What is this called as? Anion. What is it called?
Anion. Anion.
Everybody, please respond me. That,
Anion, sir.
that is same way you can take oxygen. So oxygen, how many? Oxygen will gain 2 electrons. Understand, Ra? So that will turns into oxygen 2 minus. Same way you can take nitrogen. Nitrogen will gain 3 electrons. So it will turns into what? N3 minus. Do you understand, Ra?
Minus.
Maximum they can gain how many electrons? Either 1 or 2 or 3 they can.
3 electrons.
So this is what we should call it as N3 minus, having how many units of charge? Negative charge? 3 units of
3
negative charge.
units of negative charge.
Okay. So now here you should understand, guys, are metals positive? Okay, we can call this is positive. You can take this is called as sodium ion, aluminium ion, magnesium ion. Is it okay, guys? Positive directly we can say
Yes, sir.
sodium ion, magnesium ion, aluminium ion. Is it okay, guys? But coming to the negative charge, this you should not call it as chlorine ion. What you should call? We should not call it as chlorine ion. This
Chlorine.
chlorine ion is called as chloride. What we should call? Chloride. What we should call? Chloride.
Chloride.
Please respond me. So that is what you have to remember. What is this called as? Chloride.
Chloride.
Not chlorine ion. What is it called as? Chloride ion. Chlorine ion is not. This is not oxygen ion. What is this called as? Oxide ion. What is that ion? Oxide.
Oxide ion.
Understanding. Next, nitrogen. What is this called as? Nitrogen ion, not nitride ion. What is this called as?
Nitride ion.
Understand, guys? So, but basically, every teacher will say it is nitrogen ion, oxygen ion. Only metals we can use as a ion, oxygen, sodium, potassium ion, calcium ion, magnesium ion. But if it will come to the non-metals, ide should come. Ide. Suppose you take bromine, bromide will come. Iodine, iodide will come.
Iodine will go.
Fluorine, fluoride will come. What will come? Fluoride.
Fluoride.
Understanding? Fluoride will come. That is you should remember. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
No. Ide should come. Understand, everybody? Please respond me.
But then for neon.
Neon is a stable electronic configuration. No ion. Neon is having 8 electrons in its valency cell, so no ions will form. It is neutrally stable. That is what I said. Correct?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Neutral atoms, neutral that I guess gases. I said noble gases. What they are called as? Helium, neon, argon,
Argon,
xenon, and radon.
xenon, and radon.
Form ions. Okay, guys. This will never form ions.
Sir.
That is you should remember.
Okay, sir.
This is all about negative charge and positive charge. Now you have been studied the single ions. Yes or no? Single, monoatomic or understanding. Sorry, like in the sense of positive ions and negative ions. Single ions you studied. Yes or no? Now we
Yes,
have
sir.
to study a simple ions and compound ions we study. So this compound ions is only called as polyatomic ions. What we should call? Polyatomic. Book also this word won't be there. That is why you have to remember. So simple ions, like suppose aluminium 3 plus, sodium plus, oxygen 2 minus, chlorine minus. This is called as simple ions. Understand? Or also we can call it as monoatomic ions. What we should call? Keep writing. Simple ions and compound ions. What we should call? Next concept we are going to study. Simple ions. Very. Hey, next you are going to study writing chemical formula. By the time, very, very important. You should learn this. Simple ions and compound ions. What is this? Compound ions. Compound ions also we can call it as, what is another name of compound ions? Polyatomic ions. What we should call?
Polyatomic ion.
Polyatomic ions. Okay. Now, first, let us come to simple ion. So, simple ions means, all of you should remember, single atoms. Understanding, single type of atoms is present. So, you can take the ions which are formed from single atoms. Ions which are formed from single atoms. What is that? Single atoms is called as what? Is called simple ions. Understanding? Simple ions. So simple ions also we can call it as what? Monoatomic ions. What we should call?
Monoatomic ion.
Monoatomic ions. Any doubt in this? So examples what will come? Sodium plus, magnesium 2 plus, aluminium 2, aluminium
3 minus.
Understanding? Next, chlorine minus, oxygen 2
minus,
nitrogen
3 minus.
These are called as, have you seen everything is single atoms? Yes or no? These are called as monoatomic ions. What we should call, Maitreyan? Pradosh? Okay. Compound ions also we can call it as what? Compound ions also we can call it as what, guys?
Polyatomic ions.
Compound ions also we can call it as, understanding, also called as polyatomic ions. So now let us discuss what is this polyatomic ions and everything. So you may understand more than one atom. What is that? Just simple. What is that? More than one atom. So those ions which are formed from group of joined atoms are called compound ions. Please write it. Those ions which are formed from those ions. How it will form also I will say. Those ions which are formed from whom, Laksha? Which are formed from groups of joined atoms. Understanding? Groups of joined atoms is called compound ions. Is it okay, guys? It's called compound ions. Now, examples you can take. For example, all of you observe very carefully. This is the most important thing for your future also. So you can take ammonium ion. You already studied only one and only positive non-metallic ions. What is that? Ammonium. NiUm. I said you already. NH4 plus. Correct? Remember, guys?
Sir.
the one and only positive polyatomic ion. One and only positive polyatomic ion. Is it okay, Ra? Remaining
sir.
all will be there. Remaining all
Yes, sir.
Negative
okay,
one.
guys. Negative only. So one and only positive polyatomic ion. So
Negative charge.
how it will come, sir? So as we know, here nitrogen how much, Ra? Nitrogen is what? 3 minus. Yes or no? And hydrogen. Hydrogen, how many are there? 4 hydrogens are there. Basically, hydrogen, what is the positive charge? Correct? One plus. Yes or no? Please respond me. Hydrogen is so now into 4 means what? Into 4 means what? 4 into 1. 4 hydrogens, each one 1. Correct or not? One H1, one H1. So what is the charge? 4 plus. Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Mathematics only. A power m into a power n, like that formula we have. Correct? That is, what is that formula? Basically same thing. A power.
Power m plus n.
That's all. Same way here also. We can combine. Don't think base is same. So base is not same. No worries. So NH now. What is that? 3. Sorry, minus 3 plus 4, which is equals to what? Minus 3 plus
Plus 1.
plus
Plus
1.
1.
You understand, Ra? What is happening?
Sir.
This is how it is coming. NH plus 1 or 1. Okay, guys? This is called
Yes,
as
sir.
ammonium ion. What we should call? Ammonium.
Ammonium ion.
Okay, guys? Please respond me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Let us go with the second one. Hydroxide ion. What is that? Hydroxide ion.
Hydroxide ion.
Hydroxide. Your textbook it is there. Hydroxide ion. So here by reading 2 things are there. One is hydrogen, one is what? Oxygen. External oxide. Just now I said, what is hydrogen? H plus. Correct? Oxide. Oxide means what? Check your thing here. Oxide. Oxide means what? Oxide.
O2 minus.
O2 minus. Correct or not, guys? O.
Yes, sir.
Please respond me.
Minus.
O2
O2 minus.
you can give. What will come here? Plus 1. Plus 1 minus 2, which is equals to what?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. So hydroxide means OH we can write. OH minus 1. Minus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hydroxide OH. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
OH minus. Understand? Overall charge we can say. What we can say here? Overall
charge.
Shruti, respond me, Shruti. Next one. Let me take sulfate ion. What is that? Sulfate.
Sulfate ion.
Sulfate. So sulfate, all of it try to observe very carefully. Sulfate means SO4. SO4 2 minus. What is that? SO4 2 minus. Is it
2
okay?
minus.
Please respond me. SO4.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Two
here
minus.
observe very carefully. Sulfur is basically, it is a sharing, not by donating. What is that? By sharing. Okay, guys?
Sharing.
Electron. So, sulfur can share 4 electrons. How many electrons? 4 electrons. Now,
4
electrons.
oxygens are how many are there? Check it. Oxygen 4. So, sulfur, SO4 2 minus, correct? Okay. So, sulfur here is sharing S8. S8, correct? So, S8 means it can share 6 electrons. How many? 6 electrons.
6 electrons.
6. Oxygen 4. Each oxygen how many? Each oxygen 2 minus. So 4 into 2 how much? 4 into 2 8. Yes or no? So 8.
Yes, sir.
Now which will give you what? SO4 plus 6 minus 8, which is equals to what? SO4 minus 2. Understand? That is the
Sir.
sulfate ion. What is this? What is that called as? Sulfate ion. Understand, Ra? Please respond me.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Carbon.
Sir, again explain how sulfur came to 6, sir.
Plus 6. Sulfur is a polyatomic ion, correct? S8 group. That is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Carbonate. What is this called as?
Carbonate.
Carbonate ion means CO3 2 minus. What is this?
CO3 2 minus.
So now you tell me. CO3 2 minus. How it is happening? Carbon is sharing 4 electrons. Carbon is sharing what? 4 electrons.
4 electrons.
Now oxygen. Each oxygen how much? Each oxygen 2. So 2 into 3 how much? Minus 6. Correct? 2 into 6. 2 into 3. 6. Each oxygen 2. Correct, guys?
Sir.
That is.
Then
CO3 plus 4 minus 6, which is equals to
minus 6.
CO3
minus.
Minus 2.
Elmokil. Next,
Yes, sir.
nitrate, nitrate or nitrite, I think. 1 minute. Nitrate only. Nitrate ion. So now nitrate means what? NO3 minus. NO3 minus. Now you can check
Minus.
already. So nitrate means what? Nitrate can share 3 electrons plus 3. Oxygen, 3 oxygens means what? 3 into 2 are how much?
Sir.
Ah?
6, sir. 6.
6. Please respond me. So 6, correct?
6.
So now here you have to remember very carefully nitrate here by sharing it is forming. So that is why a nitrate NO3. So if you observe here 6. So actually it should come NO3 3 minus. Yes or no? Minus 6. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? But here
Yes, sir.
here each one, this bond, something, understanding, this one is forming by only sharing 1 electron each, understanding, because it is forming by not donating electrons, by sharing electrons. So that is why NO3 3 minus ille, each oxygen will share 1 electron with what? Nitrogen. Understanding, Ra? So 1 more oxygen is remaining, so that is why it needs 1 electron is extra. So that electron is called as what? Minus. Understand, Ra? This will come here. So this is the only one you should not follow this one, because here it is forming by sharing electrons. Okay, guys, please respond me.
Yes,
That
sir.
is remember. Okay. So now that how means electron dot structure you have to study. So electron dot structure, nitrogen is having 5 electrons in its valence set. How many? 5 electrons. Okay, so 5 electrons. So now 3 oxygens will come and will combine. So 1 electron, 1 oxygen, 1 electron is extra will be there for sharing. So that is electron only coming as a minus charge. What is that? Minus charge.
Minus charge.
1 electron is extra. So what is the nitrate ion? Nitrate ion NO3 minus. Understand, Ra? Please respond me. NO3
Yes, sir.
minus. So phosphate, what is the phosphate? Check your textbook and tell me phosphate. Phosphate, what will come? PO4 3 minus. What is this? PO4
3 minus.
This is called as, what we should call, Jayvarshini? Phosphate ion.
Phosphate ion.
Phosphate ion. Understanding? So here, sir, how sir 3 minus means phosphate is a variable valency. What is that? Variable
valency.
understanding. So that is the reason it is having this 3 minus. So polyatomic ion. So phosphate, what is the valency? Phosphate, what is the valency? 3 minus. Nitrate minus 1. So you can see, except ammonium, remaining all polyatomic ions. Negative or positive, Shruti, Alana, Jayvarshini?
Negative.
Negative. So only the one and only polyatomic ion, which is positive. What is that? Which is positive.
Ammonium.
What is that? Ammonium. All will form what? Negative only. Okay, guys, please respond me. So now
Yes, sir.
we'll understand this. We have to remember your textbook. You have some tabular column regarding some common ions. Is it yes or no? Is it there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Some common ions. That is the tabular column. You please learn that, everybody. Now I want to say you one important and interesting thing for today's class. That is, you may see ECG. How many of you know ECG? If you go hospital, they will keep it. Encephalogram, like heartbeat, pulse rate and all, they will keep something. They will stick to your. Tell me, Jayvarshini. Have you seen it? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
ECG. Do you know ECG? Electroencephalogram, like our body and all, they will keep like a clips. Please respond me. You know or no? Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
there,
No, sir.
yeah, I will show you the picture also. If you see the picture, you people can understand maybe. So to see the nerve count and the heartbeat and all, they will keep. So this ECG, we people will use sodium and potassium. So that is the importance of it that I will say you. So observe very carefully. This is the ECG. This is what we should call as what? This is what we should call as ECG. Have you noticed it? Like this, they will keep to your head, chest and all, wherever they want to find it. Please respond, Mira. That is. So here if you'll observe, sodium and potassium are used in the body in sending electrical signals by nerve cells. So by measuring the brain waves, means how the impulses due to the momentum of sodium ions and potassium ions in the brain cells, we can use this sodium and potassium to do this ECG, electroencephalogram of the brain, which will show a graphic record of the electrical activity in different parts of the brain. Do you understand, Ra? So when we are not
Sure.
feeling well, when we are having any kind of problem, so how our brain is functioning, we will use to find this with the help of this ECG. So you ask her mothers and say, they will say ECG. So doctors can tell whether any kind of alignment means what, any injuries there are not in the brain of a person, they will do with the help of what, this ECG only. So this ECG will give you what, graphical representation of different parts of the functioning of brain. Understand, Ra? Please respond me. So
Yes, sir.
this device, this ECG device, everybody will say ECG, ECG, ECG. So ECG means electroencephalogram. So which will give you graphical representation of functioning of our brain and different parts of it, like how the impulses are traveling. Impulses means waves. Okay. So with the help of sodium and potassium, they will identify. Now the device, understanding which will produced by the device called as that different parts of the functioning of brain. The device which you are seeing here, which is kept for the children head, have you noticed it? And it is one laptop
Sir.
also, that is called as electroencephalograph. If you want, you can note it down. One of the biggest word in English, electroencephalograph. I will say the spelling also. If you want, note it down fastly. Electro, electro. Electro. What we should call? Electro. 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 ENC. PHALO, GRAPH. Is it okay, guys? CHALO, GRAPH. That is what the device which we are using to measure the signals of electrical impulses of our brain. Okay, guys? Understand?
Yes, sir.
This is all about it. Already it is 7:10. So with this, I will stop here. Then tomorrow from ionic compounds, we will continue here. That's all. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.